All right, welcome back to my virtual classroom. So this lesson is again for my grade 9 and 10 students who are learning about how to find the surface area of a cone. So I have written the formula. Oh, it's going upward. Sorry. So I have written the formula for the area of for the surface area of a cone. That is pi r bracket r, that's radius, plus square root of height squared plus r squared. So I know it's a difficult formula and it's going to be difficult to memorize, so just keep it in front of you when you're solving these questions. So here again, the height of a cone is 7, the radius is 4. So because they have already given us the radius, so we know that the radius is 4. This is not the diameter, so we're not cutting it into half. It's just the simple radius. All right, so now we're gonna very simple. If you know the formula, just replace the value, the variables with the value. So pi, we know pi has a universal constant value, that's 3.14. Okay, so I'm gonna start inserting my values in the equation. So 3.14 for the pi times, when there's nothing, no operation, that means multiplication going on. So r is 4. Now I have bracket, so radius is 4 again, plus the square root of height. So what is 7 times 7? 7 square. I'm going to just write it down as is first. R is 4 square, and then I'm going to keep on solving step by step so that it's clear to you guys. I'm going to use my calculator so that we can solve it quickly without wasting time. So, all right. So, 4 times 3.14, that's going to give me 12.56. I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to get 12.56 bracket. Now 4, I'm going to keep 4 as is because it's addition. Remember, in BADMAS, addition is later. First, we have to solve our exponent and the bracket. But I'm solving this together because it's separate. We can still do that. So now, what is 7 times 7? 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to add these two and then I'm going to find the square root before I add this into 4. All right. So I'm going to keep this as is. 12.56 going to come as is. Plus, bracket 4 plus, I'm going to find 49 plus 16. And I'm going to find the square root of this number. That's going to be 8. So 8.06 I got using my calculator. All right. So now my next step is, I can see, as you all remember, we solved the bracket first. So I'm going to add these two. So plus 4, that's going to give me 12.06. So I don't have enough room. I'm going to go over here. So 12.56 comes as is. So 12.56, since there's a bracket, means multiplication. So now I'm going to multiply this by 12.06. How I got 12.06? By adding these two numbers. All right, when I added these two numbers, I got 12.06. And now I'm going to times it by 12.56 times 12.56. And I'm going to get 151. So 151.5 centimeter square is the surface area of this cone. Simple. Very easy. Nothing difficult. Once you know the formula, just insert the values. Keep on solving. Don't forget your BADMAS rule, order of operation. If you follow the correct order of operation, that's BADMAS. Bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So bracket, so you can solve the bracket, but here we need to solve the exponent, right? And yeah, so you can solve it, follow the rule, and there's no way you're gonna get the wrong answer. All right, so hope you find this video useful. Take care.